long, steep ascent for the next 2 kilometers. Engage 4-wheel drive low range.
Okay. There is no low range, we only have 3 gears anyway.
Oh, it's bumpy here.
Well, apparently, like you can see here, they paved the steepest bits a few years back to make it easier to pass.
But it's steep. Uh-oh.
Is there a car coming?
No. Go on, go on, go on, go on. I have to try it again. So I try it again here. Get a bit of a runway. And then we hopefully make it up there. Oh, now it looks better. But you really have to commit, otherwise we wouldn't make it. Holy moly.
He's coming, I can hear him.
Yoo! I made it!